Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to insert a location symbol in Google Sheets. This is perfect for maps tracking, address lists, travel planning, visual dashboards. Let's go through the easiest ways. Method 1. Copy and paste. The simplest method. Copy this symbol. You can find it in the video description. Paste it directly into any cell in Google Sheets. Done. Insert special characters, desktop only. Click Insert, Special Characters. In the search box, type Location. Click the symbol you want. It inserts into your selected cell. This is useful if you want other icons as well. Method 3. Use emoji keyboard. Windows, press Windows +Y, period. Search for location or scroll to symbols/click to insert. Mac. Press Ctrl + Command + Space. Search location. Click the symbol. Method 4. Use formula, optional. You can add it with text automatically. Example. If B2 has an address like New York, it will show. Perfect for dashboards and reports. Important tips. Works in any Google Sheets cell. Can be copied to multiple rows using drag fill. Can combine with formulas for dynamic labels. That's how you insert a location symbol in Google Sheets. Easy, fast, and visually useful. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.